hasn't. So this is the one that I want now. I'm going to have to do this way. Very carefully. So I'm going to tear a strip so that I can just have a strip down. And then I'm going to perhaps use my punch, I think. That looks cool, doesn't it? There. And perhaps just tear off there. Off there. And have that there. And then I don't know whether to use my flower punch or up there. So I've got my butterfly punch, I have got square punches, and I've got this quite nice flower punch, and I think I'm going to use this. So again, yeah, we're not getting our die cutting machine out. We're going to have 3 flowers down there. Okay, like so, and you know me, I always like to give it a bit of dimension. So, as you can see, I don't like my flowers to... And I know, May, you're like, oh, what's she doing now? She's going too quickly for me. Sorry. My darling, but you can, May, you can pause this. And I'm sure, May, that you're going to have a great fun tearing paper. And I'm sure that you have got punches that you can actually use. I know for a fact that you have. So, yeah. Let's get these punches out of the way. So, yeah, I'm using my ball tool. And I have got some very, very exciting news. I can't wait to tell you all, but it's, yeah, super, super excited. Now, I've done that side, and I really want, oh, dear me, this will come out. I've got a smaller flower punch here. So again, look at your punches and see what you can take from your take from your papers. I'll quickly do this, stick this in the middle, and this is number 1, 2, 3, I do believe, and hopefully I haven't run over. And I know that I wanted to do another quick little card showing you punches. So yeah, so I've shown you, oh dear me, it's stuck to me. So I've shown you tearing technique. I've shown you cutting your paper in a different way. And let's put a quick sentiment on here. I will put a thank you. And I will bling this up, as you know that I always do. So, just so we've got 1, I don't think I've got time, 2, 3 with the cutting, and 4. Look at all my mess. And I did want to do 5, but I don't think we've got enough time. So, as you know, I do a giveaway, and my giveaway will be another card kit, and within that card kit I will put some punches, perhaps some butterflies. Yeah, punch out some items. I might punch out some random little things in the cards. So I mean, that's a round one, but just imagine just a butterfly punched out there, and then with a butterfly into there. That is super, super, super cool and cute. Let me just show you quickly. See, I'm digressing and I shouldn't. So, can you see? And then you could just have a piece of paper underneath. How cool. These window cards are so, so cute. So cool to do with your punches, you know, and even having a star. Yeah, I just want to show you loads, but I haven't got enough time. So yeah, I might revisit. Well, I am going to slowly revisit because we are doing stamping and punching and things. So yeah, I just wanted to show you something else. I think that's quite cool. I think I might put that on there. It kind of like goes with that, doesn't it? So thank you for stopping by. Thumbs up if you yeah, thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment below if you would like to be in a chance of winning a card kit. I haven't done my draws, not yet, for my last 2 card kits because I've just come back off of holiday and I've had a cold, but I'm hoping to put them up later on today. I've got quite a few yeah, giveaways that I've got to do draws for, so yeah, so I haven't forgotten. And with my first card kit, I have decided with the 3 kits that I'm going to do a YouTube for those 3 ladies and show you how you can put your card kits together, and that will be a private, so you would need a code, so that will be a private tutorial for you 3 ladies. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that, so that's going to be exciting. And yes, I hope you like the tearing technique, the punches, and cutting your cardstock, your pretty cardstock paper in different ways. Over the next few weeks we will be looking at more cutting papers in different ways and using stamps with the little, yeah, with the little cutouts and stuff. Yeah, I'm just babbling on now. Have a good week. See, because I'm babbling, I'm starting to cough now. Have a good week, everybody. And the draw for my 600 subscribers, it ends on the 30th, and I'm hoping to do the draw on the Thursday. So if anybody hasn't sent anything, can you please message me? Yeah, just to let me know. But I've got, I think, 8 to upload as well. So it's going to be a bit hectic this next few days of, yeah, me uploading loads of videos. So thanks for watching, and have a lovely week, and God bless to you all. Bye bye. Bye for now.